Hello, it's Chris here from Swansway Jaguar in Crewe, back with another fantastic approved used Jaguar. This time it's the 2-litre diesel 240 PS, which is the rarer engine size, R Sport F-pace. As you can see, the car does look fantastic in white. We've got the exterior black pack, those multi-spoke diamond cut alloy wheels, privacy glass in the rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with the reversing camera, fully electric tailgate. This car does have a whole host of optional extras, including the interactive driver's display, In-Control Touch Pro with CD DVD drive, and the sliding panoramic glass roof, as well as the beautiful black and red duotone interior. Car's done just under 9,300 miles, and if you'd like to arrange an appointment to view this vehicle or any of our other approved used Jaguars, please do not hesitate to get in contact. My name was Chris, the used car specialist here, and I'll be happy to help. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you very much.